You said you'd be the one, my shield, a safe place, but the air is heavy now. You said you'd be the one, my shield, my safe place, but the air is heavy now. Your mold, did everything you asked, exactly how I was told. But you go out, chasing shadows in the night, then bring that darkness home and call it a fight. If you don't want me, fire is gone. Just open the door. You don't have to hurt me to let me go. If I'm not the one, just let me know. You promised protection, you promised no harm, but I'm finding my bruises right under your arm. Just let me leave. Silence and my light, but you traded my peace for the chaos of the night. You come back cold with a word on your clothes, bringing wounds to a house where only love was supposed to grow. If I'm a burden, don't carry me anymore. Just run loose, I tell. I'm a good time. Oh no, listen me yours. From the stories I tell, I'll never be alone in living this shell. Erase the good times, take the memories and throw them away. I don't want the sorry, I don't want to stay. Forget my face, forget my name. Erase it. No more good times. It was never enough. You don't have to hurt me to let me go. If I'm not the one, just let me know. You promised protection, you promised no harm, but I'm finding my bruises right under your arm. Just let me be. letters and said they were fake. You told me nobody else would ever want this broken heart. How could you call me those names? Stupid, weak, nothing